Hello and a very good afternoon, my fellow traders. How are you doing today? So we can see that yesterday, on a Thursday, the US dollar index again strengthened after finding support at 93.37 levels. So this is how I have been interpreting the markets. Number one, the US dollar index has been sideways on a Monday and Tuesday, and even last Friday. So what happens is throughout this period of consolidation, the markets or the US dollar index has been conserving its energy, ready to break up or break down. Okay, so in this case, on Wednesday itself at about 9 plus 5, this is 2 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, the US dollar index finds support at 93.06 levels, and again at about 2 p.m. on a Wednesday, the US dollar rises. Okay, so this was the first bullish push on a Wednesday, pushing up. And of course, on a Wednesday, we do see the UK pound pushing down from 1.3058 all the way down to 1.2913. Okay, so the second push was just yesterday. Again, after having found consolidation at 93.36 levels, the US dollar again pushed up at about 10 plus 5. This time it was at 3 p.m., pushing up from 93.35 all the way to 94.10. So again, for yesterday, after the first drop on a Wednesday, the UK pound again dropped on the Thursday from about 2 p.m., 1.3016 levels, all the way down to 1.288 levels. So this was another 128 point drop. Okay, so Wednesday dropping 140 points, 140 pips, and on Thursday dropping about 135 pips. Okay, currently it's gone quiet. So again, the key here is understanding the movement and sentiment or behavior of the US dollar index. So when the US dollar is strengthening, UK pound is weakening. We are looking for a sell on the UK pound, and of course, even on the euro, with the US dollar strengthening, euro drops on a Wednesday and also drops on a Thursday. Okay, nice and clear. Okay, I wouldn't say nice and easy. It takes some time to understand this method, but once you get it, it's pretty much pretty straightforward. Okay, gold prices also was consolidating as the US dollar was consolidating for the 4 market days. And on Wednesday, again, you see a similar pattern. As the US dollar was strengthening, gold prices start to drop from 1908 levels all the way to 1869 levels. Okay. Thursday is also the same, finds resistance at 1883 levels and then goes down all the way to 1860 levels. Okay, so yeah, so these are the patterns and behaviors that we are looking for on a daily basis. Of course, we need to get more practice and insights on the markets also. Oil prices also dropped from a high of $39.80 all the way to a low of $35.05 before recovering to about $36.66 this morning. Okay, so plenty of excitement as usual, and of course, as the US oil prices was dropping, the US dollar was strengthening, or in other words, the Canadian dollar was weakening against the US dollar. So the Canadian dollar weakened against the US dollar by about 240 pips. So over the last 3 market days. So again, this is one of the ways we anticipate the movements of different asset classes, and also on the movement of the US dollar index. So I hope you guys already had a great trading week on a Monday, Tuesday. If not, on a Wednesday and Thursday, I'm sure many of you would have caught a decent amount of profits. If not, take a rest today. Today's market will be relatively sideways, if not mistaken, and it will lead up all the way until Monday, and also next week's US elections on the 3rd of November. So hope you guys have a great trading day ahead. If not, have a good rest today and a good rest over the weekend, and I will catch up with you guys again on a Monday. Take care and good trading. Bye bye.